Hi guys, today we're gonna play Which Engine Am I? See ya. Mavis is puffing steam, but she's a diesel. And there's a goof, her name is missing.
They all are really useful. Do you know them all? Select a name by using the up or down button on your controller. Press the enter button when you've found the correct name. Oh dear, that's not me.
You got Henry.
Nice job. I'm Henry, the number 3 green engine. That's not my name. Please try again.
We got Thomas.
You're right. I'm Thomas, and I'm a really useful engine. There is a better choice.
Got Mavis.
Nice job.
Mavis is blowing her whistle, but she's a diesel.
Trains would like your help. You'll have to try again.
It's Gordon.
You've done a great job. I'm Gordon, and I'm the fastest engine on the island. Would you please try again?
It's Percy.
Wow, you're great. I'm Percy, and I'm very pleased to know you.
And last but not least,
That's not my name. Give it another go.
we got James.
Wonderful. I am James, and I'm a splendid engine.
Well, folks, peace out and goodbye.